Everybody, sorry guys, I couldn't show you guys while I was making this bread because I got to use my two hands. What I did, I get a bowl, put some flour, bocos flour, coconut flour, soya flour, and bread flour. Then I knead it, mix it up, put some yeast, a little pinch of salt, cinnamon powder. Then I knead it, leave it for 5 minutes to sit. Then I put it on the worktop here and I knead and knead and knead. Then I cut it into four and I roll in olives and put in dry sutauna fruits, and I use olive oil to mix as well. So now I've cut it up. Then I sprinkle some rolled oats, organic rolled oats. That is what I used. It's organic rolled oats I use in there. So now it's gonna go in the baking pan. Already oil for 20 minutes. It doesn't take that long to cook. Sorry guys, I didn't show you guys when I was doing it because I need two hands to do it. That's why I couldn't film it. It's very easy to do. To make bread is very easy. Get your bowl, get your flours, get your yeast, put in your salt. If you want sugar, you can put in any sugar if you want. I didn't put any sugar in this, so I didn't put honey either because it's bread. I don't want it to be sweet, sweet, sweet. Then mix in your flour, mix all together. Then bang it on your worktop where you're gonna knead it and leave it for 5 minutes and knead and give it any shape. Put it in the pan and bang it in the oven. So now it's going in the oven, guys. All I do is cooking because I love to cook. I got the energy to cook. I like to cook for many people. I like to cook for parties. I like to bake. Cooking is my passion. So it's going in the oven there for 20 minutes. Look at it. It's in the oven for 20 minutes. So guys, keep subscribing. Leave your comment. Tell me what you feel about my cooking. And thank you for all my new subscribers. Thank you for my friends. Keep safe and stay blessed. And thank you. Cheerios. Bye-bye.